that why you were here?
Tiptoeing in my Jordans, I done came down, tiptoeing in my Jordans. Just cop the Porsche, tiptoeing in my foreign. You motherfuckers boring, you sleeping on me snoring. Don't worry, cause
Woo! What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Juice. I'm over here at the stunt lot, which is really like the only place I can get like some peace and quiet, right? I mean like literally peace and quiet. Nobody fucking making a sound except for maybe a diesel truck or something. Psst. Oh, I was thinking last night, right? I was also rapping. If you heard me rapping, singing, whatever the fuck, man, that's just because like the copyright strikes. I love using music in my motherfucking videos, right? But like you get strikes and shit. Like motherfuckers be talking about and then if you don't get strikes, your revenue goes towards the person's music and shit, man. So I was like, let me go ahead and hop on the beat, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, man, ever since I got back on this, lost my job, man, I've been in the booth. My goddamn booth director been telling me, hey, man, I need to spit the truth. Hey, so I was like, hey, dog, I ain't been getting no sleep.
That's not what I came here for, though. Last night I was thinking, and I was sitting there, I was like, man, you know what? In order to be a cold ass nigga, you gotta do cold ass shit. It's not just for you guys. It's also for me, mainly for me, because like this bike look fly than a bitch. I can't just be, I gotta have some type of trick, bro. You know what I'm saying? And I think spread would be my trick. Like I said, if you're gonna be good at something, be good at one goddamn thing. I ain't gonna be good at just one C-stand. Everybody can accomplish that. So, then fucking Bam Bam, you know what I'm saying, over there in Dallas, you know what I'm saying, Dirty Dallas and shit. I don't know what they call y'all niggas. That nigga he been bugging the fuck out of me, talking about some, man, when you gonna jump? When you gonna jump? When you gonna jump? Bitch, I'm gonna jump today. The other bike, man, it got an FI code on there, so I try to get that bitch up and running. There ain't much I could do right now. I don't feel like having a headache, man. There's too much on my plate to be sitting there. The big ass wasp right there. Don't nobody move. He must like the colors. He like the colors. That's all. Yeah. So today I'm gonna jump the spreader, man. The last time I tried this before, way before, like if you notice, my tank is dented in by Ronnie Carroll. What's up, baby? But fucking I had a self-dented tank, I guess you could call it. I always wreck when I try new shit around people. I'm pretty decent trying new shit by myself, you know what I'm saying? Like I inchworm into comfortability. But this time I had jumped to, no, actually I started off in spreader. I clutched up and the bike flung me forward. Like I gave it way too much brake. I got scared and gave it too much brake, mouse trapped it, and I flung it over the handlebars. And like ever since then I've been a bitch to try spreader again. But I haven't, like this tank, I know I'm gonna scratch the top of it repeatedly jumping into it, and like I feel like the tank is really good looking. So that's one reason why. But like I ain't come out here for reasons. I came out here to jump the spreader, and I wanted to give my testimony that like I am scared right now. You know what I'm saying? Like I put this bike together, and if it falls, drops, breaks, I'm responsible for it. But like the show must go on. You know what I'm saying? Like, are you not entertained? I don't want to get all loud and crunk and shit, because Amazon right next door. And yeah, I want to shout out to a whole bunch of people there, man. Y'all been giving me donations. All right, guys. I asked for donations. That's exactly what I got. I appreciate it. You guys are helping me keep a roof over my head. Or else I'm going to have to go out there during rush hour traffic and use the whole combat veteran on a cardboard and Sharpie situation. I don't want to have to go through that. But I will, and I will record it and upload it. Let me know if that's a video you want to see, because I'm actually ashamed to do that, but I think I might get a little bit of money the way I was going to do it. Roland Gomez, thank you, more than $1. Frank Lee, more than $1. Marcus in St. Ville, more than $1. Quentin, more than $1. Eric Duncan, more than $1. Joshua Height, way more than $1. And a weird cell phone number, way more than $1. I appreciated you guys. Much love from Juicer. Man, I'm going to keep pushing these videos out as long as I got a roof over my head. Love you guys. Anyways, man, I'm about to just jump.
I was on like YouTube the other day, actually like 10 minutes ago, bro.
Lakes.
Fuck up. 6'4" Honda hoe. I know your girl look good in spandex, bro. If I had her legs, I'd never let go. I'd nut in that hoe, baby, for sure. Ha ha. I'm Juicer, man. I'm out here about to jump to spreader, man. I'm about to go ahead and do the chosen one. Do a chicken wing, boy. I'm about to live it, son. Hold on. I'm jumping the spreader, boy, like a rat need cheddar. I'm jumping the spreader. I'm like a rat need cheddar.
And I was like, yo, fuck that nigga 6'4" Honda.
Alright guys, I apologize only for the camera being so blurry right here. This was my first initial day jumping to spreader, so could you imagine what it would take you to jump to spreader? This is what's going through my head right now as I'm jumping to spreader. Also, yeah, I don't have a cameraman, so I'm trying my best. As you can see, I'm trying different angles. I gotta run all the way back to my bike. It's hot as hell. It's causing my batteries, my GoPro, to die real quickly. But this is my second day, and my second day I'm noticing that, man, maybe I should do some more stretching and maybe choose yoga, because trying to do a perfect fucking spreader the way you think it's supposed to look in your head, you need to stretch and be flexible, boo boo. Okay, so I'm no longer really scared. I grab my nuts and my nut sacks hang, you know what I'm saying? So they are addicting. Once you start jumping the spreader, if you have a tank built, or if you have a bike that's built for that shit, man, you're gonna have so much fun. I had a lot of fails, but I gotta go get something to drink. I tell you what, when you're riding the bike, it don't feel so hot. What y'all think about this view right here? It's a GoPro attached to this little wristband that comes in this little kit. It was like an accessory kit for GoPro accessories that I bought on eBay a while ago. I needed like one bracket, and so I bought a whole accessories kit. And I finally used the wristband. One day I was just smoking a blunt, and I was like, oh shit, let me try it this way, cause look at that. Ain't that some shit? As long as I can look like Superman, I can take you with me. People gonna be like, yo, this nigga's Kyle. He about to go to Area 51. Actually, let me adjust my shit just right. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. What you looking at, white man? Alright, now check it out. Yes, yes, yes. I'm the first nigga to come up with that view. So if you see anybody else ever motherfucking doing this view, just know Juicer did it first. We did it right here on this channel. Oh man, this is awesome. I love when you're able to be creative like this, you know what I'm saying? A lot of niggas gonna be like, yo, what he doing? He dabbing? Nah, bitch. I'm getting the scenery, dog. This is tight. Alright, so basically, I feel like I'm struggling a lot of giving it gas to keep it up. Like, but I'm also missing, if you don't fully commit to jumping to spreader, you're fucked. You freak out. And right now, to me, in my head, if my bike ain't perfectly tuned, put together the way I want it to, like the handbrake ain't too far from the clutch lever, then, you know what I'm saying, I feel uncomfortable and shit. So I feel like I gotta make just a little bit more, one more adjustment to where like my fingers could reach the handbrake just a little bit easier, so I'm not freaking out that I can't reach it when I'm actually trying to perform a stunt like that. But jumping to it initially is fucking nerve-wracking, man. I had to scream in my helmet a few times to psych myself out. And once you start practicing shit like that, man, just a regular ass fucking second gear clutch up, man, it's usually not nothing no more. So that's why you always gotta motherfucking practice everything. Everything. Yeah. Pull up in this hole. Where can I'm straight up gonna put my shit on the side of this motherfucker right here. I ain't playing. Let me get some room.
Where to get a rain? Iced tea. Let me like get your fuck out of here. Sit right here.
But anyways, some of the most important things to do before you go out there though is stretch if you possibly can, because the tighter you are, look at that. Don't ride next to none of them guys. Don't ride nowhere. Nowhere, nowhere, nowhere. Nowhere. You got way too many on this bike. Got way too many zip ties. Got way too many zip ties. Zip ties on your bike. The shit